From one school year
It's not the best learning environment for our students.
to the next,
It fits the needs of today's learners.
George Washington High School has seen big changes thanks to focused investments, part of the $572 million 2016 DPS Bond. From a revamp of the library,
It's just so much better of a workspace.
to the women's locker rooms,
We have a team room now, so it fosters that sort of community. Our showers go over our heads, which is really exciting.
to spruced up STEM labs, improved lighting, and better windows and blinds across campus, which keep temperatures more stable.
There was one class, my 7th period, where I'd walk and I'd just be hit with a swamp of like humidity and heat, and then my 8th period would be freezing cold. But that's not quite the same this year.
Their projects, students, educators, and parents identified as major priorities, which DPS, working with the school and a local architect, helped bring to life.
I think that in general, they're a morale booster.
We first met speech and debate teacher MaryRose Cohan in the spring, ahead of the renovations, and
Like windows that are over 50 years old. These plastic brown things that get pulled down and stay down. They're kind of unsightly.
now that the dust is settled, she's taking on a different tone.
I think it makes all of us feel like we're being supported, and the fact that the public was willing to help us get those really means a lot.
The look and feel of GW gets a pretty obvious, unanimous thumbs up.
I feel sometimes before you had to dig sort of deep to find how cool our community is, but now that it looks super cool, it's really nice.
More importantly, these improvements are helping students with their learning.
I love the study rooms. They're absolutely incredible.
And I feel like now after the renovations, the library is just a lot nicer to study in or do some work in during an off period.
Just like being able to like go in there, hunker down, and like type out for 2-3 hours after the school ends. It's been amazing.
And it wouldn't have happened without the support of the Denver community.
I'm so grateful.
Yeah, I'm very grateful for this new space.
It really means a lot, to have community support.
With this update on the 2016 DPS Bond, I'm Ben McKee.